75 right now. Maybe you don't like the wind. Look at this right now. Our camera continuing to shake. Our winds are on the west-northwest at 28 miles per hour. So we are dealing with this windy afternoon, causing problems for everyone driving around parts of North Texas. Look at our peak wind gusts so far today. This is up to tropical storm strength. So we're seeing a wind gust of 56 in McKinney, 52 at Love Field, to 54 in Fort Worth, 39 in Bridgeport, 47 in Denton. So definitely dealing with this very windy weather as we've been going through the afternoon hours. So we talked about police security items that are in your backyard, and you might have some of your neighbors making it into your backyard, and go ahead and be neighborly, give it back to them. But I can point out it's still going to be windy through the next 3 to 4 hours. Right, 72 degrees right now, but it does feel a little bit chilly as you step outside because of those northwest winds. Right now, DFW at 38, gusting up to near 50 miles per hour. Here are sustained winds all across parts of North Texas, out of the northwest between 25 to 35. And again, our current wind gusts, 51 in Fort Worth to 46 in Denton, 38 in Waxahachie to 41 in Terrell. So you saw this at the top of the newscast, but it bears repeating. As we go into tonight, the wind speeds will start to die down. Those wind gusts will start to die down just a little bit. It's not going to be completely calm with our winds, but we'll see winds still maybe gusting up to near 30 to 35 miles per hour in the overnight hours. Tomorrow morning, gusting up to near 25 to near 30, a little bit more aggressive late morning hours as we have more mixing in the atmosphere when the sun comes up and the temperature change happening for us as we go in then to Friday night. Winds still gusting near 20 miles per hour, but starting to die down. So this wind advisory still isn't effective until 7 o'clock, factoring in those winds possibly gusting up to 45 miles per hour higher. Why is it so windy? It's because of this upper level low pressure system that's very close by. You notice right here, these isobars, these thick white lines, they're really close together. That's a tight pressure gradient, but as this low pressure continues to shift its way to these, you notice they start to spread out, and that's why the winds die down as we go into tonight and into tomorrow and into Saturday. But still, we have that concern out there for maybe some brush fires, that elevated fire dangers there because of those gusty winds, and the dew point is very dry in the upper 20s to the low 30s. Dry air heats up, cools down fast. Once the sun sets, you're definitely going to notice that change, and the water vapor imagery shows that dry air is still sticking around. So Texas Motor Speedway, we zoomed in just a bit. We'll see temperatures down to the low 60s by the time we get to 10 with that northwest wind near about 20 miles per hour. Tomorrow, 70 degrees. Friday night lights will be chilly and breezy. This weekend, though, the wind's dying down. Sunny skies up to 77 degrees for Sunday. Enjoy that because Brooke, next Thursday at 60.
Happening?
Yeah.
No. What is that, Scott?